We are using here normally open DI. Here you can see a QCX, and which is a selection switch on the HMI. So in RS Logix 5000 we can use the function multiplication. As you can see, it's the multiply, and will use source A, which is a totalizer, and source B is a tag. Here you can see it's a feed of something. So in the destination A9AC, it will give the multiplication of source A and source B. It will simply multiply the value in the source A with the value in the source B and give us the result on the destination, which is a A9AC on the HMI. So in this way we can use the multiplication function in the RS Logix 5000. Simply we will configure a source A and source B and the destination. In the same way we can use a division function in RS Logix 5000 of Allen Bradley. Here you can see this is the division. Source A, we are using the value of source A and we will divide it with the source B value, which is here 100. The result will be shown in the destination A8AC G, which is a set point of something. So in this way we can use the division function in RS Logix 5000. Here is another example of multiplication. Also we are using a normally open digital input. When this DI will be high, then this multiplication function will be inward. Here we are using source A and source B and the destination. It will simply multiply both source A and source B and give us the result in the destination on the HMI. Same, we are using the division source A and source B and the result is shown on the destination.